Found it. The arrows I'm using have a blunt tip on them. This is a 35-pound bow, and if I was using sharp points, it would just go straight through the ptarmigan. The blunt tip will hit the ptarmigan and kill it without destroying all the meat. I can already see more. There's like a flock of ptarmigan every 100 yards. Oh, they're up in the trees. Those ones are a little too skittish. Well, that one's super chill. Snowshoe hare right there. Well, look at that. Don't see a ton of those. See the wing prints right there? See where they flew off?